What if the most powerful thing you can do today is nothing? Not scroll, not talk, not think. Just silence. Most people think silence is just the absence of noise. Wrong. Silence is an active state for your brain. When everything goes quiet, your brain switches to a different mode. A mode called the default mode network. This is where your brain processes emotions, solves problems, and creates memories. In 2013, scientists made a shocking discovery. 2 hours of silence per day caused new brain cells to grow. Not meditation, not exercise, not therapy. Just silence. Your brain literally rebuilds itself in the quiet. Think about that. While you are doing nothing, your brain is doing everything. Growing, healing, resetting, but only if you give it the silence it needs. Most people never do. And that's exactly why they feel stuck. Now, here's the scary part. Most people get zero silence every day. Music, phone, TV, notifications. Your brain never gets a break. And when your brain never rests, stress hormones rise. Memory gets weaker. Creativity disappears. You feel exhausted for no reason. So how do you use silence? Step 1. 5 minutes every morning. No phone, just sit. Step 2. Walk without headphones once a day. Step 3. Before sleep, 5 minutes of complete silence. That's it, 15 minutes total. And your brain will thank you. Silence is not empty. It's full of answers. Your brain needs it more than you know. Try 5 minutes today. And if you want more truth about your brain, with us, new videos every day.